Once upon a time, in a not-so-far-away land, lived a sleepy hero named Alex and a very, very sassy alarm clock named Tiki. Every morning was a battle. Tiki would ring, and Alex, with a groan, would hit snooze. But this morning was different. Lazy bones, Tiki chirped, its digital voice dripping with judgment. Alex grumbled and hit snooze again. A few minutes later, Tiki's tone sharpened. Seriously, are you ever getting up? The sun is mocking you. Alex pulled the covers over his head. That was the last straw. Suddenly, a pair of tiny mechanical arms shot out from Tiki's sides, grabbed the blanket, and yanked it clean off the bed. Tiki didn't just wake Alex up. It launched him into the day, quite literally. It turns out, sometimes you need a little tough love to start your adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tales.